Hey, what is up guys? What is going on? This is my 2008 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and as you can see, I have the Christmas tree lights on. The usual ones. The check engine light up here, the traction control light, the VSC off, and the VSC track buttons. And so, I'm gonna show you how to address those. So the first thing that you need to know, here are the codes that I had. You can see some of them, take a look for yourself. Mostly it's the P0101, and I know everyone has different codes, so that may be different. However, the solution is generally going to be the same, so stay tuned for that. So as we can see, most of our codes are because of the MAF sensor. So we're going to access it and clean it. So here we're gonna just pop open our hood. I know it's a little hard to see. And first we're gonna have to take the engine cover off. There's just 2 bolts holding it right here, and then we'll take it off. Okay, so the engine cover is held by 2 10mm bolts, and then it pretty much just comes right off. The only tools you really need for the job are the 10mm socket, wrench won't really fit, a screwdriver, and also some brake cleaner so you can actually clean the MAF sensor. But it is located right here. So then you just take these 2 little screws off and it comes off. But first, just make sure to unplug it. Okay, now that we have our MAF sensor out, hopefully we took it out carefully, we have these 2 little wires right here. I know it's hard to see, it's a little dark, but those are what has to be cleaned. Sometimes grime gets on there, and even if you can't really see that well, that is what we need to clean, because otherwise this sensor looks pretty good, but you have some brake cleaner, so we're gonna just spray some on and let it dry. Okay, now you just got to get yourself a scan tool. Anything really works. I have this little thing, and somehow clear your codes. So after you've done the job, put everything back together, clear the codes, and you'll see the lights will go away. So now just keep driving, make sure they don't come back, and if they do, then likely it's a different problem, and it could be a faulty MAF sensor. You might need more than just cleaning. Alright, so now I'm just gonna see and update you guys.